Is TikTok being banned in America? Well, the House and Senate in America is moving past a bill to ban TikTok in America. Could this affect the 176 million Americans who use TikTok on a daily basis? What does this also mean for Uganda and Africa in general? In today's video, I'm going to discuss everything concerning why TikTok is being banned by the House and Senate of America, and I'm going to explain everything concerning that. So, today's video, let's discuss all of that. Welcome back to Legal News Daily. My name is Counsel Terry Kahuma, the usual host on this channel. And let's just get straight to the point. Now, the House and Senate in America have moved to pass a bill. They put the bill up in their Senate, which is also called our parliament here in Uganda or in Africa in general. And they're basically saying that they want the owner of TikTok to either sell TikTok within a space of 6 months, or they're going to ban it from Apple Play Store, which is predominantly American, and basically they just want to either sell TikTok or ban it. Now, why are they doing this? The House and Senate are basically stating that they would like to know why TikTok is taking in a large amount of information from the citizens of America. Now, we all know that TikTok is a Chinese app, and it is basically made by its parent company, ByteDance. So ByteDance was the original company of TikTok, or it's the one that heads over TikTok. And the House and Senate are basically telling the owner of ByteDance, who owns TikTok, that you know what, you're either going to sell TikTok or we're going to ban it from American soil, meaning that we don't want TikTok in America because we do not understand what you're using our citizens' information for. So basically stating that they are basically worrying about the data and privacy protection of the American people, the American citizens. And basically the House and Senate, whenever they move bills, just like we have the parliament here in Uganda, whenever they move to start up a certain bill, they want that bill to get into a law. They want the bill to turn into a law. The reason why they're doing that is because they want the law to protect all the American citizens. So, brief facts also, we must know that TikTok is a company that started in 2016. Now, TikTok exploded in 2020 because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, TikTok is an app where you express yourself in the best way possible and with very few to no restrictions. So, whenever TikTok is signing up a new person, or whenever a new person downloads the app on either Apple Store or Play Store, the app asks you for all your data, it asks you for your IP address, asks you for all those things. So basically, the House and the Senate in America are saying every American citizen who gets onto TikTok, are they being safe? Is their data safe? Because another deeper worry of theirs is that China is being headed by what's called the Chinese Communist Party. Now, the Chinese Communist Party is the one which heads the entire China. Now, every company or every app or whatever business is in China is answerable to the Chinese Communist Party. Now, it's no secret that China and America have always been going head to head and butting heads all the time for a very long time. The American House and Senate and government in general is worried that if TikTok, which is a Chinese app, is registering and putting on board more and more Americans all over the world, is their data safe? Are they running their app in relation to the Child Protections Act? For example, so many children are on TikTok. So are the children's information or data, is it safe? So that is the reason as to why the House and Senate are asking TikTok to either sell they're actually asking ByteDance, the parent company, to either sell TikTok within 6 months, or we're going to ban TikTok on Apple Store, because Apple Store is predominantly American. I don't know why they haven't said Play Store, because Play Store is still American, but I think they're giving them a chance to indeed adhere to what they want TikTok to do, or they're going to ban it from American soil. Now, how does a bill turn into a law? I've done videos about how a bill turns into a law. I'm going to leave the link in the description so that you can go and watch that video. However, a bill is a legislative proposal which is waiting enactment. So any bill which is tabled by a House or a Senate or a Parliament, it's those parliamentarians or legislators who are now the senators and congressmen who are now bringing up this bill. They all agree. Let's say it gets 2/3 majority vote, then they send it now to the president. Now, if the president then signs that bill, it now becomes a law. So meaning, if this bill to ban TikTok reaches President Biden's desk, he's just going to open the bill like this and then just sign it. So many times, many people may be wondering, will President Biden actually sign this bill since it's a new one? Well, in a recent video that I saw, President Biden actually said that, you know what, if this bill actually reaches my desk, I'm going to sign it off and to become a law. Can the American government actually ban TikTok, and what impact does it have? Yes, indeed, the American government can ban TikTok, because if at all they are worried about the data privacy and protection of the American people, then they actually have a right to ban TikTok off American soil, off American servers, whatever it is. So yes, indeed, the American government can do it if they can show that they are worried about the safety of their people. I also saw the ambassador of Canada to America is also in agreement with this, and it seems Canada may also take the same move because they're standing with their sister country, which is America. So I wanted to explain to you that indeed, let's just see how everything is going to go. Let's see whether indeed TikTok is going to be banned from America, or it's going to be banned from American soil. What's going to happen to the American people? Because so many people are going to lose their businesses. So many people have businesses that are thriving on TikTok. So many Americans, over half the population of 176 million, are having businesses on TikTok. What is the impact on Uganda? Well, Uganda really has no impact because we stand for liberty, truth, and we love everyone thriving in terms of their businesses. This may not really have an impact on Uganda, but it will have a very big impact on the American people. So until next time, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Again, please go to the link in the description where I explain how a bill turns into a law, and then you'll be able to understand it in full view. So until next time, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Until next time, let's just hope TikTok is not banned, because I think it's an app where everyone benefits from, either business-wise or entertainment-wise. People take away their stress from there. I'll see you. Bye.